Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
And if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangle just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. It is 2020 and it's time to get to it. As you see, I am separating her hair. She had a previous style, I can't remember what it was, but we're going to detangle her hair, deep condition, wash it, shampoo it. You know the whole gamut. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I encourage detangling before washing. That is just what I do. I will be using TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler. As you see, I put water on her hair because water makes the hair pliable. Now, if you have a lot of tangling, matting, my daughters suffer from more tangling and matting at the root. So that's where I focus. I focus on the roots. If your tangles and mattings are more on the end, that's where you focus. As you see, I parted off a medium, which is between the small medium section of her hair, depending on how bad her hair is tangled. I want this detangler to penetrate all the way through because as you see when I'm rubbing it with my hand, the detangler is breaking down the knots and tangles. So you want it from the front side to the back side. You want to work that in and it's very concentrated. So if it's a little too thick, just add a little water. That's it. Start detangling from the ends and work your way up to the root as you see me doing here. Now we're going to get that out the way. I did that all over her hair. After I detangled it, I rinsed it and shampooed her hair. Now we are applying that same detangler because it is a deep conditioner too. You get more for your money with this. So I'm applying it as a deep conditioner too. I'm applying it in big sections and I'm going to sit her under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes on a warm setting. Y'all, that is when the magic happens. I've been getting clients emailing me, sending me pictures. They're like, I see, I get it now. I just want y'all to get it. That's all. I just want y'all to get it. So after I deep conditioned her hair, I rinsed the detangler out. Now her hair is wet, and if you are familiar with my channel, I really don't like fooling with wet hair because my girl's hair is very coily and it tangles back up very easy. But I'm gonna show y'all something with the Perfect Assist Stylinade. The Perfect Assist Stylinade is Bay 2. Like I don't know. I don't know which. I don't know. From week to week, I don't know which one is Bay 1 and which one is Bay 2. But I'm gonna show when I show y'all how the Stylinade get down. Y'all already seen how the detangler get down. If not, I have a bunch of videos showing y'all how the detangler gets down. Do not forget to subscribe to the TM Hair Products channel. We're going to be doing big things this year, 2020. I'm not playing games. 2020, I'm going hard to the paint. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. You know this is my over-the-top child. If you are familiar with my channel, you know this. Look how she tried to stop when she see me coming. Like I wasn't going to get it on camera. But anyway. Her hair is wet. I've separated her hair. Now I'm going to layer this stylinate on her hair. Don't worry, I got you. The stylinate is not greasy. She's not going to be looking like some oiled up chicken or none of that. The stylinate is not greasy, but it is a great moisturizer. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's going to lay that hair down. Now, remember I said her hair was wet, so it looks like far more stylinate than what it is. I'm just layering it and I'm brushing it through her hair because I want it to be moisturized all the way through like this section. I'm applying the detangler, but I'm going to brush it through. I apply with my hand at the root and I'm brushing it all the way through and I'm clipping it together. You guys see what I'm doing? Now, she wants a slick ponytail. This is after the holidays. We did all the holiday hair looks and ha ha he whatever. Now she just wants a simple, slick ponytail. Again, I'm layering it on that side. And I want you guys to see it looks like a lot of detangler, but it isn't. But watch when you see her hair when I'm finished. It's not gonna look greasy. It's gonna have a nice luster. And then waves gonna be popping. Just watch. That's what the styling aid does. It brings out your natural wave pattern. If you want waves and you have waves in your hair, Boo, I got you. Don't worry. Look, you see the waves already popping and her hair ain't even dry yet. The waves already coming through. So I'm just twisting her hair, the rest of her hair, into two separate twists. I'm going to wrap them around each other to make the ball as small as possible. That's my goal. I want the ball to be very small. Y'all, she hates sitting up under her dryer. Watch her face when she turn around. But look what I want to show y'all. Waves popping. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Waves are popping. Do you see them? Her hair is laid down, and as you can see, her hair is not greasy at all. You feel me? You feel me? Now we're going to put this ponytail on. As you can see, I looped the ponytail around, and I'm going to flip it over and bring it on top of her ponytail. So you want her ponytail underneath the hair. And I hope that makes sense. Now for her, she does not like a lot of bobby pins and things like that in her hair. And this method helps me to not have to put bobby pins in her hair. And I think in this video, I didn't put any bobby pins in her hair. And she got so many compliments on this ponytail. The older it got, the more out of control it got. She got so many compliments on this ponytail, and it didn't take no time. All she had to do was literally tie her hair up and take her scarf off and fluff the ponytail. That's all she had to do. And when her hair started to loosen up um, with the styling aid, it even looked more natural because I wanted it to be a contrast. I wanted her hair to be real slick, and then she had this big fluffy ponytail. But once her hair started to loosen up, oh, it was just, she got so many compliments on it. Told y'all, look at her face. Watch when she turn around. She hates sitting up under the dryer, but it's the price to pay for beauty, boo boo. Like that's what you got to do. You got to sit under the dryer. I'm sorry. It was so funny. I just had to show y'all her face when she come from under the dryer. Look. But watch these pictures after she see her hair. After she go look at her hair, now she get lit all over again. That's the price you pay. So that is the top. As you can see, her hair is not greasy. It is laid. That's the ponytail. I really love this ponytail. And it's just some kinky, I can't remember the type of hair. But that is it, guys. Happy 2020. If you have not done so, subscribe. Subscribe to our It's Just Us channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.